Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony. So Roblox did have a direct listing today, and they actually opened at 64.75. No one actually bought at those prices. I mean, the cheapest you could probably buy was it $66 probably, more than likely somewhere like 65, 66. Closed the day out at $70, so it did have a nice run up from what is it like $64 all the way up to 73. So I mean, if you bought in, you could have probably made somewhere like what, maybe like a 15% gain for the day. I would not buy Roblox at these prices at 70. I'd probably wait like a month out to see where we actually are, especially Roblox more than likely is gonna be considered a like a tech video game company. And I do think that eventually Roblox is gonna come back down either to its original direct listing price. So I think it was like 40 something bucks, like $45, or its minimum gonna go back down to like 64.75. I mean, there aren't any like real, I can't really use like resistance or support for Roblox that's only been trading for a day, right? I mean, I'll probably come back in a month and then be like, oh, okay, you know what, it's a good time to get in right now. It seems like it's gonna be a good purchase, right? As of right now, I do love Roblox. I do think they're a great company long term. And if you think that it's gonna, if you think that this company is gonna keep growing, 100%, buy in, right? I wouldn't purchase at these prices just because their market cap right now, their valuation is almost $40 billion, which is insane. I don't think they're worth that much money. I would probably not buy them unless they go back into maybe like the 50s, maybe the 60s. But yeah, Roblox did get a bunch of volume today, apart from the whole GME AMC craziness that happened. With GME running all the way up to like almost like $400. And I'll drop another TA on GameStop later today, possibly another one for AMC, and possibly another one for RKT. Someone requested that I do ATOS or ATOS. I'll probably do one of those today too. But yeah, Roblox, I think it's a great company. Would I buy at these prices? 100% no, man. I wouldn't buy Roblox at these prices. I'd probably wait out like another week or like another month or so, more than likely. I'd probably wait out like another month, see where Roblox is at, and then do some like TA, look at where I should actually buy in, and then kind of go from there. So I'll see you guys later.